Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs, and if you suffer from arthritis pain, what you eat could be making it worse. Today I'll share 5 foods backed by science that can trigger inflammation and increase joint pain, and what to eat instead. 1. Refined sugar increases cytokines, which are inflammatory messengers in the body. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming just 40 grams of added sugar daily elevates inflammatory markers like CRP, worsening arthritis symptoms. Replace sugary snacks with fresh fruit or dates in moderation. 2. Refined carbs like white bread and pastries break down quickly into sugar, leading to blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Research from the Journal of Nutrition found that diets high in refined carbs were linked to greater joint stiffness and pain in arthritis patients. Switch to whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or gluten-free oats. 3. Processed meats contain advanced glycation end products or AGEs and preservatives that trigger inflammation. A study in Public Health Nutrition found that higher intake of processed meat was associated with worsened pain and physical function in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Choose organic protein sources like wild fish or legumes. 4. Fried foods are loaded with omega-6 oils and trans fats, which fuel inflammation. Research from the Mount Sinai School of Medicine found that eliminating fried foods significantly reduced inflammation and improved arthritis symptoms in participants. Use baking and cook with anti-inflammatory oils like olive or avocado oil. 5. For some people, dairy can trigger joint pain due to a reaction to casein, a protein found in milk. A study published in Clinical Nutrition showed that dairy elimination reduced joint inflammation in sensitive individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. Try dairy-free alternatives like almond or coconut milk and see how your body responds. Cutting out these 5 foods could help you experience less joint pain, better mobility, and more energy. Remember, what you eat can either feed inflammation or fight it. To learn how to eat for healing, check out my book, Eat to Heal, where I guide you through the Astor diet, a natural anti-inflammatory approach to restoring health. Click the link below to get your copy today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's struggling with arthritis. See you in the next video.